Alright guys, I've already started to unpackage this thing because I got too excited. But basically I haven't even taken it out of this garbage bag yet. Or what looks like it feels like a garbage bag. So let me just take this off real quick. Voila! So here he is. Here's the box. The corners are banged up, but no one's gonna see that, so I don't really care about that. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so we got like a receipt or something, who cares? And then some bubble wrap. So this is got some bubble wrap and some thing, some like box bag. And then it comes with a super fake dust bag that I will never use because it's like feels like it's like cardboard, but who cares? I wasn't gonna put in that anyways. I'm gonna wear it. So let me just take these shoes out. All right, so here they are unpackaged, and they look fresh as fuck. Look at that. Oh. And it feels like good material, like that. The interior is like nicely made, like nice cushion. Like this is actually like a well-made shoe, and it looks. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm gonna put them on now and see how they feel. So this is how they look on. Yeah.